Hey guys, Daniel Gourley here from 5 Words Media, and today on this Tech Talk, we are talking all about the Elation Fuze Pendant series. So, Elation Fuze Pendants, they're awesome. We use them all the time in our church installations, and we've had the Fuze Pendant, the big brother, for a while now, and then we just had the Fuze Pendant Compact come out here in the last year, and I'm going to tell you all about these guys. They're pretty amazing. So, the entire Fuze Pendant series, they are 5-in-1 color mixing. That means we have a red, a green, a blue, an amber, and a lime emitter inside of that. Don't worry, with all of those combinations, including that lime chip, we mix an amazing white light. So even though you can color change, you're gonna have an amazing white light. And then between the two of these, we have this guy coming in at 230 watts, and this little guy is coming in at 144 watts. So we have some different outputs and different sizes, but I want to go through one of these guys and talk to you about all of the features on here besides the color and the output. So I'm going to grab my little guy here, and we're going to start looking at the Fuze Pendant Compact. All right, so looking at this guy, yes, it is a DMX LED house light, but it has so much more than that. So on the Fuze Compact here, if I look in the back, I actually have multiple different connections for not only controlling the fixture, but I also have the ability to power this in many different ways. Okay, so when it comes to house lights, something we have to worry about is in the event of having like an electrical power outage or whatnot, we have wired in hardware power here through the actual True One connection, like a standard LED fixture from Elation, okay? We also have a hardwired control, so we actually can come in here and hardwire our electrical voltage so that, you know, some codes require that as like something that has to be in the fixture for it to actually pass those codes, okay? We also have a couple of different control options. So we have DMX that can go to this fixture. We have 5-pin in and out, okay, so you can control it just like a light fixture. We also have 0 to 10 volt, okay, so 0 to 10 volt is a common commercial lighting standard, and these will basically talk the same 0 to 10 volt standard as a basic system or control setup. So if you have a 0 to 10 volt system, these could go in, they can get wired in, you can set the color that you want them to be or the color temperature, and it will respond to that commercial dimmer. And then we also have hardwired connections for emergency power. Okay, so again, if the lights go out, people have to leave, this emergency power is for high voltage electrical. And then we also have terminals for battery backup as well. So this guy literally can do it all, and these are just the wired connections, okay? There's also a wireless transmitter inside this fixture. So you can use Elation's Aria wireless, or you can use their Easy Fly kind of system, and that's going to allow you to hang these lights and wirelessly control them in an installation and in an environment. So again, 144 watts, this is your 18 foot to 20 foot ceiling fixture. This guy at the 230 watt level, we've put these in buildings that have ceilings up to 50 feet, 60 feet. And what makes these work is not just it's a one-size-fits-all fixture, they have optional lenses. So these guys will ship with a 45-degree lens in it. They also have 25, they have a 40-degree, they have a 50-degree, they even have a 100-degree wide, okay? So if you have an under balcony, you have a short room, you could put the 100 wide degree lens in there and you can evenly cover an area. Other accessories, we also have the ability to put a flush mount kit, so these can actually be recessed in a ceiling. They come as is, but you also can get a yoke that attaches to them so you can angle them like a traditional kind of fixture. Again, Elation's done an amazing job with these fixtures. There are tons of options for them. And remember guys, these, yes, they are similar and have characteristics of traditional DMX LED lighting, but they're house lights, okay? So there is life safety, these always have to work, they have to be implemented, they have to be bright enough, they have to evenly cover the room, you have to plan for emergencies, all those things. So if you need help planning an LED house light upgrade in your space, please just reach out to us. We do free consultations. We'll do a layout for you. You can reach out to us at sales@5wordsmedia.com. Somebody will respond to you. We'll do a layout of your room. we'll look at how the Elation Fuze pendant, whether it's the compact or it's the bigger guy or it's a mix of the two, is perfect in your space and in your room. So if you like this tech talk, please just like, subscribe, follow us. We're on Instagram as well at 5 Words Media, or we're on Facebook. And you can always find more information about us on our website at www.5wordsmedia.com.